The Bona Vacantia List is a government's public register of unclaimed estates in England and Wales. Its purpose is transparency. By publishing the list, potential heirs can see that an estate is unclaimed and make a claim. Each list typically includes details like the deceased name, date of death, place of death, sometimes birth date or estate value. The government holds these estates for up to 30 years, allowing for time for claims. After 30 years, if no one claims, the Crown keeps the assets. In July 2025, the government temporarily removed the entire Bona Vacantia list from its website, which was an unprecedented move. A notice went up on the 7th of July stating the list was taken down due to an administrative issue, with a promise for more information to follow. However, this removal came right after the BBC investigation revealed a wave of probate fraud targeting estates on the list. Criminal gangs were allegedly using the public list as a roadmap, forging wills, submitting them to probate, and claiming estates before legitimate heirs could have a chance. The shift to online probate applications, which was introduced in 2017, made it easier for these frauds to slip through. For example, fraudsters may claim the estate is under the inheritance tax threshold without providing evidence, thereby avoiding scrutiny. The government says it will return the list once adequate reforms or security checks are in place. It matters because legal professionals and would-be claimants no longer have a public tool to monitor unclaimed estates. The fact that criminals were able to exploit this system reveals weak checks in probate and inheritance procedures. For most people who die with a valid will, this does not change much, but for intestate cases, it disrupts the claim process. The situation is a strong reminder of the importance of having a valid will and keeping your estate affairs in order. Without one, your legacy could be at risk of not going to those you intend. If you think you may be an heir to someone's estate, which has been unclaimed, here are some steps. Keep an eye on announcements from the government about when the list is reinstated. Gather evidence of your relationship, such as birth certificates, marriage certificates, wills, etc., so you can establish your claim. Seek legal advice. A solicitor specialising in probate and estates can guide you through the process. If you haven't yet, get your own affairs in order. Get your will prepared or take advice in relation to updating your will. Register it on the National Wills Register and be clear about your wishes. At DTM Legal, the Wills, Trust and Estate team can help with drafting robust wills, setting up trusts and advising on probate claims. Feel free to reach out to myself or another member of the DTM Legal team if you need to discuss your estate planning.